When something is off, our bodies typically send signals to let us know. With our nails, it's the same. For instance, modifications to their appearance or color may signal health issues. We'll demonstrate several nail modifications in today's video and discuss what they might indicate. 1. Spoon-shaped nails. A spoon-shaped nail pattern may indicate bronchitis, asthma, or other pulmonary or cardiovascular conditions. This has an impact on circulation. Additionally, the form provides the appearance that the finger's sides are being peeled off by the nails. It could also be a symptom of liver illness, hypothyroidism, or anemia. 2. Yellowish nails. When nails thicken and grow more slowly, they may turn yellow. This condition is known as yellow nail syndrome. This typically indicates respiratory issues. It may indicate diabetes if you find that your nails are not developing properly. Because of this condition, glucose binds to the collagen proteins in the nails, turning them yellow. 3. White spots. You have undoubtedly experienced white patches on your nails, even if you haven't recognized the symptoms listed above. Some claim that a deficiency in vitamins or calcium is to blame for these stains. They claim that drinking a bit more milk will help to solve this issue. There is a technical nomenclature for these spots. Their name is leukonychia. They frequently result from nail injuries and can occasionally be caused by an allergy to nail paint remover or a slight infection. 4. Black lines under the nails. Small vertical streaks of blood, which may be red or dark brown in hue, or produced by so-called splinter hemorrhages. These minute finger bleeding are symptoms of an infection in the heart valves. Digital clubbing, which is an increase in the distal phalanges of the fingers, is another indication that may indicate cardiac issues. 5. Peeling or brittle nails. Another highly prevalent issue is brittle nails, which can be an expected sign of aging. Your nails might be brittle if this is not the case for you because they are constantly in soap and water. Additionally, it can indicate a more serious issue. The key is to pay attention to any additional nail changes, such as those in color or thickness. Keep in mind that your nails can change as a result of stress or other traumatic events. It's not a guarantee that you have a significant issue. Just keep an eye out for the symptoms, and if you notice anything odd about your nails, get professional assistance. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.